Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Meghalaya kalapan scam ya ka jingkot jingmut ban penlong ya ka jela ka balad na ka jingpang TB Lynba ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah ka bala penjur ya ki senjam Lynba ka program bashis pasngi bat ka jing yasnok tilang ka imlang salang habakren ha ka program Rakhe ya ka World TB Day ha ka sngi baar Menteri ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah uba wailat miki shella ula penpau ya ka jingdon kam ha ka liang ka Koit ka Khiah jong ki pat ba Bat ulak kedo baka jingyap ki kentay habak hakun kana hiar hadu san pun riu persen na ka shispa persen kabupen long ya ka jilla ban hiar hapo karukom kabadai hapo kari ulaya thu bakum gini ki sen jam onle na ka benta ban penduna ya ka jingdon ki bapang tibi Menteri ka Koit ka Khiah ulak kentu ya ki nong shong snong ban ya trailang bat ki bor badai pet ya ka Koit ka Khiah bat ula maham ba ka jing penkut no ya ka dawai TB tang shiteng kala ban wanlam ya ka jing pang multi drug resistant TB kaba penjrong shushu ya ka jing sumar bat penjenjar ban Koit kloy ula kenturu ya ki brio ban let sha sumar bat shim ya ki jing erap na ka sorkar kaba kentop ya ka jing erap pisa kaba 1000 man ubanai na ka benta kinong pang Shu uba wailat ula pensyai baka jingpang tibi kalong kabala banyada bat ban penkot lada shem kloy yaka hapo ka program ka sorkar India kabala tip kum ka intensified 100 days TB free India campaign kajala kalasdang ban pendon kam yakiru kom khmi bnya ki bakarpang kum ki core x-ray ki bala ban ra shani shatai ki ba pendon kam ya ka AI bat ka jinges no okti lang ka imlang salang Banya syam ya ki beriu ki bayo ya kini ke jingpang khamtam hapadeng kitu ki batlot kemet na kaliang ka DHS MI ka Dr. JS Momin kalai thu baki nong trei ki bakham hakmat bat ki kenhun nong trei ka Tnad ka Koit ka Khiah hakishnong ki don ya ka benta ka bakrau ban pen so thu ya ka rukom sumar bat banyada ya kini ke jingpang Lynba ki jingde ates kloy bat ka jing aimen siem ya ki nong pang ka sorkar ka bo hakmat ki beriu ki badon jingma bat kijaka hakithan nong kandong hakapor bapenlong ya ka jingelap kadba kan penslur ru ya ki dukhot bantre kumki nikshe mitras ban ai ka jingkrshan ha ka liang ka jingbam bat ka jingsngo jongki nongpang
We stand together in solidarity with the millions of people around the world who fall ill with tuberculosis every year. We also pause to remember the millions of lives lost to tuberculosis. Today, we also honor those at the heart of the fight. We pay tribute to the frontline health workers who work tirelessly every day. Their courage, dedication, and compassion turn policies into real impact on the ground. Tuberculosis remains the deadliest infectious killer disease in the world. It was in 1882, March 24, that the causative organism of TB was discovered. Yet, 124 years later, we are still struggling with the epidemic of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is not just a medical disease, it also reflects the gap in access, awareness, and equity. Yet it is also a disease that is preventable, detectable, and curable if we act early and act together. The government of India has launched the intensified 100-day TB-free India campaign, focusing on reaching the unreached through targeted screening and AI-enabled technologies and community participation. This marks a significant shift from waiting for symptoms to actively finding TB among vulnerable populations using tools like portable handheld X-rays equipped with AI-enabled software and integrated health camps. But technology alone is not enough. The real strength lies in our frontline health workers, our community partners, our elected representatives, and every individual who chooses awareness over stigma. So in this effort, the village health communities plays a crucial role, being the closest to community. They understand the local challenges and hold the trust of the community. Their involvement is not optional, it is essential as they can bridge the gap between the health system and the community. They can advocate for screening, encourage and motivate those with symptoms to go for early testing, support the patients and provide psychosocial support. They can organize health camps in collaboration with the health department and actively work towards making their villages TB free. So as we move forward, let us remember TB Harega Desh Jitega is not just a slogan but a responsibility. Together, through a whole of government and whole of society approach, we can accelerate our journey towards elimination. Let us go extra mile, turn the tide and make our efforts bear fruit. Because together, yes, we can and will end TB. Thank you. Kublai Sibun Matela.
Inform each and everyone that this program is not only being organized only in East Khasi Hills, but to different districts in our state. All the invitees and my friend from press and media. Much have been said by the speaker before me. Much have been shared, but the most important thing for us today to think is, in spite having a cure, but still we could not eradicate tuberculosis. No doubt, even in the different part of the country, in urban areas, in towns, they are still having tuberculosis. It will be a much challenge for a state like Meghalaya, where we faces the different challenges, especially our topography to reach the hard-reach area. So we do realize it's not easy. And I hope still today, there are still, like me, few years ago, when I still a kid, who still think that you get tuberculosis by watching television. So awareness is very important. And we should realize this fact. We should realize this fact that only the health worker cannot cure any diseases. As soon we realize that, the better is for us. Because we need to work together. As a community, as a state, we need to work together. Because until and unless we take responsibility of our own health, I will tell you, no government, no health practitioner will able to help you. And it is so sad to see in our state. I used to tell this to my people, especially for my constituent who used to come to me and request for financial assistance to help them for treatment. The first thing I used to ask them, do you have MHIS card? So that's why I like to tell you all, it is very sad to know that still, in spite of this opportunity in our state, it's so sad to see that still till now we have not achieved the 100% enrollment of MHIS, which is very important. 5 lakhs annually you are getting for treatment, but still you don't have time to come and enroll yourself. If that kind of attitude we are having, how can we get ourselves get treated? So that's why I urge each and every one of us, to the people of our beloved state of Meghalaya, please join hands together. You have plenty of opportunity in front of you. Now the kind of effort being put from the health department, and I'm really thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister for giving 9% of the total budget allocation of our state is being given to health department. This itself shows where the priority of the government lies. In India, the annual spending for each person in the country right now is 3,500. But in our state of Meghalaya is 7,800 per person. The amount we spend to one individual. So we do understand that from the government part, we are pushing, but where we are lacking maybe, it's the community participation. So today as well, I would like to urge our state tuberculosis officer and team. In the next program, I would like to see the community participation. Call the Sunjuk of Rangbashnong, call the principal of different school and colleges, call the priests, call the different people, renowned people from the community. Let them come and share this responsibility. Until and unless we don't come together, I will tell you, we will not be able to achieve what we aim for. So once again, I'm happy to see the kind of effort, but at the same time, I would like to see that this effort will see the result of outcome. And you all know, no doubt I have been talking regarding this in different occasions, and even in the last assembly. No doubt we are facing a lot of challenges, especially in terms of having doctors in our state. There are still many PHC and CHCs which now still working with single doctors. But are the government is doing nothing? No. The government is trying its level best. This problem would have been solved if we have a medical college 10-15 years back. Why we are facing these difficulties? Because all this time we have to depend from the central pool for our student to go and study medical. So now with the Shillong Medical College starting, already the first session is already start. Now we have the Purno Sangma International Medical College in Khanapara, where the USTM, we have students over there. And if with God's grace, if everything goes well, this year we'll be able to start with the Tura Medical College. So more or less, in the after 5 years from now, around 200 more doctors will come to our state. which will really help us to have doctors in our health, in our hospitals and PHC and CHCs. So because of the continuous effort from our Honorable Chief Minister, as you all remember, in the state of Meghalaya, where we follow matrilineal society, where woman is given due respect. But it's so sad to see that a few years ago, Meghalaya is ranked highest in mother mortality rate, MMR and IMR, above the national average. But due to the continuous effort and under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and our team from the Health Department, I am so happy to inform you that all this, because of all this effort, there have been a 56% reduction in the mother mortality rate. Right now, we are below the national average. And we will continue to work harder to see that this number will keep on reducing more. And the same will goes with the mission for eradicating tuberculosis. So as I don't want to go again, kumba pilayok skew balaya thok da kini ki doctor mening am kwa shuban repeat ya ka ka jo tamba sa shwabangan show Lynba kini ka rensan sa shisin nga kwa ban appeal ya kinong snong po ka jala Meghalaya ka jongi lada claim ka jing ya trailang ka jong pi kumdai ka besok ya ka sarkar lani ya ki doctors bangin sumari pi ngidon kam ya ka jing ya trailang ka jong pi namar bat kini ki TB cases ro don ki bala sedang ya ke treatment tang baki jano kitip lada pi follow ya ke treatment hapo andru benai pila ban cure lani ban penjano ya ke tu ke jingpang tang bala da pi no shiteng por kakala no sya ke MDR lada kakala sya ke MDR dan kata kajing sumar kahap teng na kan riu benai na syaka sistem na ni sistem chiteng taka kata shosho tana kata kadaw nga appeal ya ki pajba jung state ban one ban test yaladi nanta ban shim ya kajing sumar ban hoy is ko tho mdai ka basok e phiro ki don hi kijing yarap na kaliang jong ka government ngi yarap ka financial assistance na ka sarkar kumba sanspa shibanai if I'm not wrong 500 a month 1000 6,000 shibanai ki yarap ya gitu TB patient bada kejo ko poro ngi appeal ya kini ki riu shimet mo kiba ngidon ketukan niksha mitra ba phila ban wan ban shim ban shim ya away kejing ba klik ya away TB patient ban yarap yu ban yo ki jingbam ki ba ki nutritional food namar udon kam namar kitip ba ke TB ka kta ya ke immunity tengi don kam ya ki jingbam ki ba biang ki ba klan ki ban pen klan ya ka immunity tengah apil ro ya ki riu shimet ki ba don ya kata kalat ki ba ublai ulak terku tengah singo ba bakin wan syakmat ban kersan lang ya ki patient kenang bakin la ban yo ya ke jingira tada kini ki kinten sa shisen kublai shibon nga ai kublai sa shisen ya ka state tuberculosis team ya ka ka program pat nga ngai scam ba mdai tanghang ni Shillong hadin onda bala dep ka neka program kung bangila yo i bangila launch ya ka 100 days mission lane namta ka shispas ni bangin focus bangin penklan ya kata ka jinglek screening bandin lay sumar dengan wa ban yo iro ba things should happen on the ground and especially on the rural areas. So with these few words, once again, Thank you very much, and I wish all the very best to the state tuberculosis team for this mission. Thank you, Kublai Shibon Methela.